Well, as we told you at 6 o'clock this evening, some late blooming showers developing right now in Storm Patrol Vipers. We're using the power of 4 to track that rain. Looks like the moisture is increasing south of the Caloosahatchee, associated with that tropical wave. That may give us a little bit of trouble later this week. Look at these showers. They're pretty impressive. Now, there's no thunder and lightning here, but it's still rain that's moving into Naples. Much of coastal Collier County from Naples southward seeing this rain. They're obviously downtown Naples, extending down through Marco. Goodland was seeing some of that heavier rain earlier. Matter of fact, let's zoom in on Goodland. There you see it right there. Goodland, I think you'll have improving weather in the next 10 to 15 minutes or so. Marco, you'll get a little bit of a break for about 2-3 minutes, and then in the rain probably getting a little bit heavier once we get past about 10:30. However, that shower looks like it is weakening a little bit. Some showers that are developing inland, and again, most of them are south of the Caloosahatchee, where there's more moisture in the atmosphere. Up around Arcadia, we've had a few showers. Here's Arcadia. You can see that a little one popping up here, but obviously the heaviest rain, and this actually did have a lightning strike in the last couple of minutes, but the heaviest rain right now is to the east of Arcadia. Day part forecast for tomorrow calls for a fairly active afternoon and evening. Some of the showers are going to be lingering past sunset tomorrow. Mostly sunny at 7 a.m. with 76 degrees. Partly sunny at noon with 88 degrees, and then by 5 o'clock, scattered showers and thunderstorms developing. In the tropics, we're watching this tropical wave next week. Pretty well organized right now. Let's not waste time on it because we have to deal with this one first. This is the one in the Caribbean that's moving toward the Yucatan and toward the Gulf of Mexico. National Hurricane Center says there's a very good chance that this could develop into a tropical depression, maybe even here in the next 12 to 24 hours. Going to make its way into the central Gulf of Mexico. After that, where is it going to go? Now remember, it's a very disorganized system, but here is the very beginning of what we'd call the spaghetti plots. Some of the models taking it to Mexico, some toward Texas, some up toward the Panhandle. That's the big question. Where's the brunt of this moisture going to go? Now there's something that may direct some of that moisture toward Florida. It's going to be a trough that's going to be digging down into North Florida Friday and Saturday. Here's our short-term forecast. We're going to go through the day tomorrow, which looks somewhat like today, although I think it is going to be a little bit wetter. You see the heaviest rain, especially in the early, the mid to late afternoon, mainly south of the Caloosahatchee, where there's more moisture in place. Fairly typical summertime day tomorrow, although the showers are going to linger even till about 11 o'clock, maybe even midnight. We'll have a few showers showing up. Here's the change, that trough digging down, all that moisture in the Gulf of Mexico. Who's going to get the heaviest rain? We don't have an answer for you yet. I wish we did, but the National Hurricane Center doesn't have an answer, so we don't have an answer. Even if this is a tropical depression out in the Gulf of Mexico, that moisture is going to be directed toward North Florida. I really think the heaviest rain is going to be in the northern half of the state, but we can expect unsettled weather Friday and Saturday. Drier weather coming into the picture for us on Sunday. I think the computer models are going to come into better agreement here over the next day or so, but let's just plan on it being wetter than normal Friday and Saturday. Your Power of 4 zone forecast for tomorrow calls for scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially in the mid to late afternoon for Arcadia, Moorhaven, LaBelle, and Immokalee. Now, in the harbor zones, a chance for rain a little bit lower. Scattered showers and thunderstorms possible because your atmosphere a little bit drier. As we go a little farther south into the coastal zones, a chance for rain in the afternoon and evening a little higher, 89 to 93, the high temperature for Cape Coral, Bonita Springs, and Estero. Beaches mostly cloudy, scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially south of the Caloosahatchee. That's where it's going to be wettest on the beaches on Thursday. Southeasterly winds becoming onshore for the boaters at 5 to 10 knots, seas anywhere from 1 to 2 feet with a light chop on the bay and in the waters. Scattered showers and thunderstorms on Thursday, especially by late in the day through the evening. 2 unsettled days, wetter than normal Friday and Saturday, then a drying trend for us by Sunday and Monday. Summer fun is what we're celebrating in the month of August. What's more fun than going out on one of the waterways, going on one of the charter boats, and seeing the dolphins like Chris Fallon? Summer fun brought to you by Opta Express. Send your photos to iContribute at fox4now.com.